Hey, what's going on, you guys? In today's video, I am going to show you how you can receive money on PayPal. So, first things first, you need to make sure that your PayPal account is actually verified. So, first, you need to verify your PayPal account before you can receive any money from it. So, secondly, you need to attach your bank account to your PayPal account. So I have here a number of bank cards and bank accounts attached to my PayPal account. Now, there are different ways that you can receive money on PayPal. So, the first one is you can send them the email that is attached to your PayPal account. So, to check that out, you tap on this settings icon right here and check on email. So you can send this email address to the person or your client or someone you want to pay you money through PayPal. Another way is to send your PayPal.me profile. Now here you can copy this link right here and send this to someone you want to pay you money through PayPal. So in this way, the money can get to your PayPal account. So I think that would be all for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I am going to see you on the next one.